Winch cables are a necessary component in engineering and rigging applications. Also known as wire rope or winch line, they play a significant role in many people's workday. This ZIPS 360 features the BA Products fiber core winch cable with self-locking swivel hook, manufactured with extra improved plow steel, providing superior strength and flexibility. This winch line is assembled with a fiber center and 6 outer bundles, each made up of between 19, 25 or more smaller wires. When in use and pressure is exerted on the working winch line, the lubricant reservoir provided by the hemp center helps to assure longer service life by maintaining the line and minimizing the wearing effects of wire on wire. The hemp center also allows the rope to be more flexible than those with a wire center. The alloy self-locking swivel hook provides a secure and safe connection because it will not open when under a load. Additionally, it will rotate as the rope is reeled into the drum so that it will wrap and lay better. This fiber core winch line is available in several sizes and lengths. The 3/8 inch diameter has a working load limit of 3,780 pounds. This 3/8 inch diameter is most commonly used on 8 to 10,000 pound winches. Another option is a 7/16 inch diameter that has a working load limit of 5,120 pounds. BA Products offer your choice of 5 different lengths: 50, 55, 75, 100, or 150 feet, which are all common lengths used on wreckers and car carrier applications. Refer to your winch owner's manual to find the recommended wire rope size. Are you looking for a winch line with more flexibility? Find the BA Products fiber core winch cable with self-locking swivel hook by shopping winch lines and hardware on zips.com.